Follow Pillion!
Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting dark and terrible like loose leaf. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me. Or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyzing till my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you got my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mind is disturbing. Now give me a heart to beat. Bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it. Your self-esteem easy to turn to me. That's what I wanna be. Dream is in front of me. Called up the game and I wonder if I'm coming live. I'm coming for the crown. Here to handle business, I'm not here to play around. Getting in position so they all can hear the sound. Kings and queens don't mean nothing to me. I'm coming for the crown. Have fun with my lyrics, call it wordplay. Thoughts stuck in the past, wish they were present like my birthday. Talk about my family, talk, you better watch what you say. What is it that you're not comprehending? Are you insane? Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. I rhyme with the purpose, your lyrics are hollow. Cause I'll be a leader, all you do is follow. I'm so far ahead of you with this tomorrow. Here's the warrior, I'm the rhyme destroyer. Don't put out your hand, cause I got nothing for you. MCs to be spitting and get paranoia. I'm moving the punches, call me Lil Hoya. Quit being petty and don't annoy. Don't stop being mad, cause I got it before you. I work now, I'm boss with it like an employer. Don't test me, I'm killing these bars like a lawyer. I've been preparing you rappers, don't scare me. Don't do it for fame, no, my kindness or rarity. Music is therapy, burdens I'm carrying. Emotions raw, got no room to sharing. Y'all rapping for likes and they quit and get clarity. Your record's embarrassing, you don't compare to me. Better be aware that you better be aware of me. Gift is a curse and a value, I swear.
See, that one is my bag waiting in the line to do the installation. Here there's another Trident 660 is doing some service. Let's just wait for a while.
I'm on the run, I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure and I'm never gonna give it up. I left these empty streets and hide within the shadows. You think I'm low, but you don't know how low I'll go. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm the villain. I'm the villain. All the money in the world cannot protect you from me. You can flee, but never will you be free from me. I'm everywhere you look, you never will escape me. So come at me, cause I'm the villain. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I've been hunting for it, I've I've been planning for it.